Namaste friends. I am Ritesh and today our focus is Parivritta Trikonasana. It's an asana that is sequenced after Trikonasana in Ashtanga Vinyasa, and it's a preparatory poses for seated forward bends and twist. It's an intermediate level standing forward bend and it's a deep detoxifying twist. Friends, before we get into the pose, you need to be very careful when you're focusing on people if you have some blood pressure or some migraine or diarrhea or headache and insomnia. So just be careful when you practice these. At the same time, just be aware, listen to your body. At times you feel good, at times you're not feeling good. Just take a break. Friends, before we get into Parivritta Trikonasana, it's very important that you stretch yourself, prepare yourself by doing a side angle pose, a low or high lunge, or a tree pose, that is Vrikshasana, a Prasarita Paduttasana, that is a wide leg forward bend, a standing wide leg or a seated wide leg, whatever you feel comfortable, and a side angle pose. So friends, let us start the posture with a side angle pose. So friends, let's break down this posture into two parts. First is the foundation, how our legs should be, where should be the blocks be, and the second is the twist. So let's get started. So coming up, so you need to prepare yourself into a side angle pose. So you start with the Tadasana. So once again, my arches are active, I stall myself, I am in Tadasana. The chin is parallel. Now before that, I need to take two blocks. And I keep that blocks here. Now once again, standing tall in Tadasana, check, activate, core is engaged, rib cage not popping out, it's in line with your pelvis, your shoulders are down, your neck is long, your chin is parallel, and don't forget to smile. Okay? You don't have to be very serious when you are doing it. So from here, tall myself. Now, there are various variations to get. Some people take it back, some take it forward. Now I prefer to take it forward because I can see what I am doing. So from here, I take my leg, that is my left leg, to a 45-degree angle. And the right leg just gets a head forward. Now friends, that's my position. Now from here, I try to keep my hips square, so it's not going this. The hips are facing in front and I am on two parallel tracks. So the feet is like this. The feet is not like this. So the feet is in line, not with heel and arches. The feet is on a parallel track. So once again, my hip is facing in front. Once again, lengthening tall. From here, flex forward from the hip joint. But remember friends, keep that back leg active. I don't need the back leg to lose, okay? Activeness. And from here, flex from the hip joint. So you're going forward, forward, forward. You can feel the intense stretch. Now friends, we don't need this knee to get locked, okay? We need micro bend. And keep your right palm on the block and keep it flat. Now, keep it active, check the neck and shoulders relaxed, and breathe here. Give some time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now friends, we have two variations. One, because you can hold the left palm here or you can hold it here. Now when you hold it here, it's a little bit of easy twist. If you hold it there, the twist becomes a little bit more intense. That's your choice. So I start with a simple version of holding it. Because I'm doing it, I need to warm up also. So I hold it here. Now, if possible, keep the hips square. But if you find that the hips are twisting a little bit, that's completely fine. Okay? So, tall yourself. Now keep the hands on the hip, flatten it and try to do it. So take the support of the wall, walk, walk. Now I find this too long for me. I take it this level. Now I feel good. I can feel the opening, maintain it, and breathe. Now you can look towards the wall or towards the ceiling and breathe. Keep your back leg active and breathing in and breathing out deeply. Breathe in. Now with every exhalation, try to twist more. So inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, come back slowly. Flatten the back. Tall yourself. Keep the back flat as possible. Keep your neck long and come back slowly. So friends, that was your Parivritta Trikonasana. Please don't hesitate to use a prop. It will slowly and steadily give you more balance, more stability. Now friends, same position. You start with Tadasana as usual. Keep the legs to a 45-degree angle. Take the leg. Remember, now the second variation is, instead of keeping the arms here, you can keep the arms here. Now here it gets more intense twist. So I hold it here, I open the chest, I take the support of the wall, and that's my pose. Don't forget to breathe. So inhale and exhale. Now here, if you find the hip a little bit of tilting, it's completely fine. So from here, if I'm twisting, if you can't make it square, it's fine. And breathe. Now, don't take the leverage of the arm so much that you find a strain on your sacrum. So there are chances where people try to push themselves too much in the twist and they create a lot of problem in the sacroiliac joint. So that's the reason you need to be very careful when you're focusing on the twist. Very important. So friends, that was your Parivritta Trikonasana or revolve triangle pose. Thank you for watching. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, and yes, do subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.